Let me show some Stanley's vegetable garden. Can do this. It's pepper, small pepper, chilies, still blooming. Tulasi, Indian tulasi. Couple of plants. There's another chili, rosemary, strawberry plant, kovekya. I don't know what they call in English. Look at this kovekya over here. Look at this kovekya. Kovekya in the pot. This is curry leaf. Look at this curry leaf. Cariapala. Curry leaf. This is basala, Indian spinach. Basala, good for health. Look at this, look nice. This is beans. Look at the beans over here. Beans. Beans plant. Lady's finger. Okra. Look at this okra. This is mint, Mexican mint. Good for fever. Medicine. This is another tulasi. This is muringekai, drumstick plant. Oh, look at this, growing. Only for summer. I need to put inside the house. This is aloe vera plant, good for health. This is another curry leaf, Mexican plant, Mexican mint. This is a varananga, brinjal, eggplant. Look at this, eggplant. This is pepper in the same pot. Long pepper, long chili. This is matanya, pumpkin. I think somewhere over here. Flowers. This is red beans. Look at the red beans. This is the backyard of our house. Elephant leaf. Tomatoes. Look at the beans. Pumpkin. Oh, look at this over here. Oh, shoot. Look at the pumpkin. Nice and pumpkin. Nice pumpkin. This is bitter gourd. Leaves. I don't see no vegetable over here. Look at this. They're taking the nectar. Look at this bee. Long beans. So, kumblanya, matanya, pumpkin. This is another kovekya, lady's finger, a brinjal, chilies, lemon plant, lemon. This is another pumpkin plant over here. There's tomatoes. This is turmeric plant. Okay, this is another pepper. pepper. This is all manjal. This is cabbage. Because the lady's finger. Corn is coming. Corn. I see one corn on the plant. Corn plant. What is it? The one on the top? Yeah, I saw that one. The small gardens. Yeah, on the top. Yeah, I saw that one. Look at this. Jamaican pepper. Look at this. Oh shit. Look at this. Jamaican pepper. This is eggplant. Look at this. White eggplant. Summertime hard work. Summer plants, summer vegetables. Look at this. Jamaican pepper. This is kachal, chame, yucca, whatever it is, I don't know. This is another pepper. Tulasi. The cabbage. Pineapple plant. There's lettuce, I think. Lettuce. Turmeric plant. Turmeric. This is red spinach. They love flowers. Look at this. They love flowers. Look at the squash plant. Look at the corn. That's it. This is Stanley's kitchen. Or Stanley's garden. Not Stanley's kitchen, Stanley's garden.